Welcome to Pat Beauty's GRO-MANE hair formula. During COVID, my hair took a toll. It was dry and brittle. But after 4 months of GRO-MANE, it was restored, recovered, the length came back. Again, before it was thin. This is how the back looked. This is before and thin and shallow. But after 4 months of GRO-MANE, it's healthy, shiny. Again, before, after. Healthy and shiny. GRO-MANE has added shine to it, conditions it, moisture. People ask all the time, what do you use? It's just GRO-MANE. Try it. You'll like it. You'll love it.